ChatGPT is a language model created by OpenAI. It is an artificial intelligence system designed to engage in human-like conversation with users through a chat interface. The system uses deep learning techniques to analyze text inputs from users and generate appropriate responses. As a language model, ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate with machines and each other. While ChatGPT certainly has its advantages, it also has its limitations. Welcome to Successeum. Here are 5 pros and cons about ChatGPT. We will start with the pros first. Quick and efficient. ChatGPT can generate responses instantly and can handle a large volume of requests at the same time. 24/7 availability. Unlike human support staff, ChatGPT is available 24/7, which means users can get the information or assistance they need at any time. Large knowledge base. ChatGPT has access to a vast amount of information, including current events, historical data, and expert knowledge on various topics. Non-judgmental. ChatGPT doesn't make assumptions or judgments based on a user's appearance, gender, ethnicity, or other personal characteristics. Language translation. ChatGPT can provide translation services, allowing users to communicate in their native language and receive responses in a language they understand. Now we will get into the cons. Limited emotional intelligence. ChatGPT is unable to understand or empathize with human emotions or social cues, which can sometimes result in inappropriate or insensitive responses. Limited understanding of context. ChatGPT is unable to understand the context of a user's question or the nuances of language, which can sometimes lead to misunderstandings. No physical assistance. ChatGPT is unable to provide physical assistance or perform tasks that require physical interaction, such as cooking, cleaning, or providing medical care. Limited creativity. ChatGPT relies on pre-existing knowledge to generate responses, and is unable to generate truly creative or original responses. Dependence on training data. ChatGPT's responses are based on its training data, which means it may not be able to provide accurate or relevant responses to questions outside its scope of training. Despite its limitations, ChatGPT is a valuable tool for providing information and assistance to users, and its capabilities are likely to improve with continued advancements in AI technology. So, what do you think about ChatGPT? Leave a comment and let us know. If you want to try ChatGPT now, we already put the link in the description. It's completely free, so don't worry. If you like video like this and want to support Successeum, hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching Successeum. See you on our next video.